Hey there, buddy.
He doesn't even have a picture.
I know he doesn't.
Look, there he goes. Hey, can you still feel? He comes out of the window. Hi, Jojo. Oh, she's mad. She's like, put that thing in my butt. What did they do to her? We're at the vet. So they put a thing in her. They took her temp. She has a little fever. We think she has allergies.
She does have allergies. But we're gonna get her better.
I hope so.
We are gonna get her better. Oh my god.
She's mad at us now. How could you, Mom?
What are you thinking about?
That she's getting fat. 17 pounds.
17, almost 18 pounds?
Mm-hmm.
We got her and she was 16.